Hi guys, I'm Bheloyskii on TikTok. Earn crypto with FireFaucet Part 9. FireFaucet is my #1 website to earn free crypto. You can check the link in my bio. Task number 7 is withdrawal from FireFaucet to Trustwallet. First, let us check FireFaucet if they have enough funds. I can withdraw now because the DW or direct wallet transfer is filled here in USDT. Sometimes it is low or empty. So today is May 1, Saturday. I have 18 USDT in my Trust Wallet. Here in FireFaucet, I will withdraw 7 USDT. Click withdraw. I can see my Trust Wallet USDT address at the top. Minimum withdrawal per USDT is worth 2 USD. Maximum is 10. Withdrawal amount, I put 7. Click withdraw. Check withdrawal history for status. The status is pending. I'll keep you guys posted once I receive it. Okay, so today is May 2, Sunday. I received already the 7 USDT in my Trust Wallet. The status now is success. Okay guys, this is the end of our video series. Follow for more updates.